Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have a new affordable Apple Watch lookalike or Apple Watch clone smartwatch. It is the C90 Pro smartwatch. So this smartwatch, it is loaded with a Bluetooth called Sports and Health Monitoring. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of the C90 Pro smartwatch. We will check the design, the specs, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the C90 Pro, if you are planning to get the C90 Pro smartwatch in the Series 9 category, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's have the unboxing review of the C90 Pro smartwatch. So let's remove the plastic first, then we'll check about the packaging. So let's unbox this wearable. Remove the plastic. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Okay. So before we check out the contents, let's check out the packaging. So we have here some details. Ultra low power consumption. Obviously, we do have a wireless charging feature. 2.19 inch. It is a 49mm smartwatch. Heart rate monitoring. We have a health monitoring function here. Fingers to answer, so gesture control. Step counter, we also have that here. Then at the back, C90 Pro, we have the QR code. I guess this is for the support app. Okay, so I'm not sure if what is the support app for this wearable. Okay, so we do have here the gesture control for answering the smartwatch or the call on smartwatch. Okay, now that we are done with the packaging, simple, direct, with a few details, let's check out the package contents of the C90 Pro smartwatch. So we have the user manual. It's using the Hiwear Plus, the same with this C39 Plus or C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch that we reviewed yesterday. Okay, we have the flexible silicone strap, sporty strap, so there's no extra strap here. Wireless charging, and of course we have the smartwatch. Okay, silver. What we have here is the silver color. We have a crown button here and a pill shape button. We'll check on the design later on. Again, here are the contents of the C39 or the C90 Pro. Okay, contents of the C90 Pro, we have the user manual, the strap, the wireless charger, USB type A, and of course our smartwatch here. Next, let's attach the strap. Okay, let's remove the plastic first, then we'll attach the strap. But before that, let's check on the weight of the wearable without the strap. So we have 36.90 with the strap attached. It's around 48.39. Okay, less than 50 grams. Lightweight smartwatch with a metal body frame. So we are already on the dimension and of course the weight. Okay, so let's check on the, so we are done with the weight, so let's proceed with the dimension. Okay, so we are on the part again of the checking on the dimension and weight of the smartwatch. So 11.8 for the thickness without the sensor here. For the width, so it is 40. And for the length, $47.7. Again, 47.7. Okay, then let's attach the strap and let's check on the specifications. Hopefully there's still battery left so we can check on the UI. Let's slide it in. Okay, for the design, so we have a zinc alloy body frame based on the promotional page. At the back we have a plastic cover here with a strap lock button, and we have a pill shape button here and a crown button. 2.5D, I guess tempered glass at least. We have the speaker here and the mic. Checking on if there's a battery left. Let's check. I guess it's already depleted. Anyway, we'll charge it later. So let's check out the specs of the wearable. So here it states 2.19 inch LCD screen, TFT LCD. We have the Bluetooth 5.0, check it here. 190 mAh battery with a 14 days battery life or standby time. 580 mAh waterproof, IP68 waterproof rated, Android 5.0 and above platform, iOS 9.0 and above platform for the supported operating system for smartphone. And of course, it is using the HiWear Plus application. Check out the complete specs here. Okay, so we'll charge this wearable and we'll check the UI of the smartwatch before we end our video. Now that we are done with the design as well as the specs, let's now proceed to check the UI of the C90 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so this is the crown button here. You can use it to change the watch face. This one, I guess this is the return button. On top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have a dashboard here for common applications. The same here on the left side. On the right side we have the widgets. Okay, you can add your own or remove other widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review of the design, the specs, and the UI of the C90 Pro smartwatch. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Bye.